Well, I'd like to start by saying that the Kenya Private Sector Alliance and the two speakers, Speaker Equatoro and Speaker Mutiri, deserve highest praise for having put together this important initiative called the Leadership Summit. I think the summit is crucial because what we do as the entire UN fraternity want to see is a free, fair, credible and non-violent elections. I spoke this morning and I emphasized that we need the leadership of Kenya. Kenya is a beacon of hope for the rest of the region, which is facing multitudinous challenges, from the Somalias to the Burundis to the South Sudan. We have challenges here, but what we need is a great example, and Kenya can provide us with that great example. What we must see coming out is the process of democracy, the process of inclusion, the process where civil society, media, free speech is all part of the dialogue, and the free and fair part of it should be sacrosanct and non-negotiable. So this summit should come out with a clear roadmap, and I think the private sector of Kenya is doing great public service to Kenyans and a model for many other parts of the world to actually show that the private sector, which can be a catalyst of positive change. What we want to see is a unity of purpose where young people, the different civil society organizations coming and asking of its political leadership that the elections must be absolutely free, fair, credible and non-violent. For UNDP and the UN family, we've been walking this journey of elections in Kenya since 1992, and we will stay resilient and robust in this process. We're already supporting with technical assistance to the IEBC and other relevant institutions that are responsible for this. And as UNDP, we want to see a Kenya that is successful, a Kenya that is democratic, a Kenya which is an example for the rest of the world, a Kenya which embraces diversity and its civil society, and a Kenya which becomes a role model for many other countries in Africa. Thank you.